Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to VI Trade, where we try for a successful trading journey. Meanwhile, let us look into the index. While Bank Nifty has settled at 570 points lower, breaking the resistance of 40,000 once again with 1.5% cut. Meanwhile, Nifty settling at 100 points lower. Still, it is in favorable. Let us watch. What is it? The support level or not? So while at 17,500, it is in a good level of support. Yesterday it broke the 17,400 levels, but as you can see, 17,350 level, as I told, would be a next target, and you can clearly see there was a bounce back from there. After I ended my stream, you can clearly see there was huge weakness, volatility was to the core. Put riders, call riders were actively there. So I hope you made some good money. Let us watch today's expiry. So trade cautiously. Let us watch. For now, let us be careful because Nifty is again near support level. If there's any bounce from 17,500 levels, you can quickly see for target of 17,600 to 650. But if it breaks 350 level, then I could clearly say Nifty is heading towards 17,200 or further down. Right now, let us analyze Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty opening at 39,950. Yesterday, it had gone till 39,500, but there was a quick bounce from there. So let us watch today. If you see in 1 hour, there is a quick support level. Just let me draw this. You can clearly see, guys. There is some level of support being taken at 39,500. If that is a good level of support, or still it's further going down, let us analyze today. Meanwhile, for higher level, I would say for target of 40,500 remains the resistance for now. Let us watch. Meanwhile, Nifty is actually been removing its support level from 17,550 to 17,400, then breaching it 17,400 to 17,350. So this is a cautious area. Again, breaking of this, as I told, in 1 hour frame, you can see it's given 17,150 level. So let us trade wisely. Exactly, it's near there in 15 minutes, 5 minutes frame. Nifty is clearly again coming back over there. So let us trade cautiously. Meanwhile, 18K remains heavily called right as active, so that remains the. Sorry guys for that. So 18,000 remains a good resistance level, and the second resistance comes at 17,800. Let us trade wisely. 1 minute to go. Meanwhile, you can tune in. Hello Sujalas. Good morning. Yes, market has started. There's a quick bounce from bottom level. Let us watch. There's a quick bounce from 17,500 level. As you can see, there's some level of support taking. Please tune in, guys. I'll be giving updates. Clear cut bounce in Nifty. Sorry for this. Bank Nifty heading towards 40,200 levels. ITC at 52 week high again, fresh high. Tune in, guys. Again, Bank Nifty taking resistance from 40,200 levels. Again at day low, Bank Nifty at day low. Guys, you can see clear cut weakness in Nifty too. Heading towards 17,400 to 17,350. If you have been a put option, please hold it for target of 17,400 to 450 or 17,350. But keep booking, there will be quick bounces, it will wipe out your profit. Meanwhile, I won't be taking trade that much too early now. Markets are in cautious mode. As I told you, there will be quick bounces to wipe out your profit. Please be aware. Bank Nifty heading towards 39,800. If 39,800 is breached, then you can see easily 39,650 to 39,500 levels once again, touching this support level. If this level is breached, guys, then you can see heading towards 38,800 to 38,500. Yes, Bank Nifty clear cut weakness. Bank Nifty is in clear cut weakness, guys. I think because of, yes, Adani Enterprise, with Adani Ports, because of its issue, the banks are also getting hammered. Bank Nifty heading towards day low. Nifty 2, if you're in put, keep on holding. Again, Adani Enterprise 10% down. Let us watch. Meanwhile, please subscribe the channel. I'll be giving stock perspective ideas. You guys can tune in. Clear cut weakness. And still ITC is holding. Fresh 52-week high. Oh my god, both Adani groups at 10%, Adani Ports and Adani Enterprise. There's a quick bounce. There's a quick bounce, guys. Please be aware there'll be quick bounces. If you're in put, you need to book it. There'll be quick bounces. Already market opened with a high of 550 levels down. You can't expect to give it a hit. There'll be quick bounces. If you hold it for longer, I guess your profit will be wiped out. Your stop losses will be triggered. So be active. Booking profit is essential. There'll be quick bounces which will wipe out your profits. Be cautious, guys. Yes, again, Bank Nifty heading towards a low, followed by Nifty 2. IT stocks are in green because of Nasdaq. It's a positive note of 2%, followed by all the banking stocks and the financial stocks are in selling pressure because of led by Adani stocks. It eats 10%, followed by HDFC Life 5% cut. Reliance too. So almost all the heavy weightages are down now, lagging the market. Be cautious, guys. Trade wisely. What happens is there'll be quick bounces. So by the time you look into it, your profits will be wiped out. You can see there's some level of support taken by Nifty at 7,450 level, still holding on to it. It's coming here at this support level that is 70,350. If this is breached, then you can clearly look at see Nifty heading towards 70,050 levels too. That is watch carefully. Some bouncers, as I told you, there'll be quick bouncers. You can see in Bank Nifty, there'll be quick bouncers which will wipe out your profits. So be cautious, trade wisely. And now Nifty heading towards the low, I guess. They are retesting the support level. Meanwhile, guys, tune in towards the live trading action where we trade for a successful, disciplined trader's journey. Please stay tuned. I'll take my trading once I'm familiar with the trend. Because market, I think it again coming to oversold region. Maybe some here, some more markets are coming to oversold region. So I'll be a bit cautious. There's extreme fear in the market. You can see Adani opened with 3% cut, higher note, but suddenly clearly see 10% down. So yes, markets are in extreme fear mode. From here, the chances of going up, but be cautious, trade wisely. Trade wisely, guys. Markets are in extreme fear zone, so you never know when the bounce comes. We have told you touching this level, that is 13,450, there's somewhat support level is hitting. And I told you guys, you can't hold it for longer as market open with a deep cut. And again taking a put at higher levels and selling is a good option. But there'll be quick bouncers as you can see. This level has been acting good. As soon as it entered in this region, you can see clear cut support level and you can see a quick bounce and breaking a day high. That is the power, guys. When the markets are in extreme fear, markets will give an extreme good bounce. There is watching option chain where the call guys are sitting again. Still, it won't get activated. It won't have updated. That is what. It's not still updated, so let us watch. As you can see, quick 100 points bounce from the lower end. That's the reason I told you booking profits is essential because markets are in extreme fear zone. For me, still it's in no trade zone. I'll be a little cautious. I don't want my viewers stop losses to be triggered. So I'll have patience. Let me analyze the market. I will randomly take some trading analysis and give it to you, but I don't want your stop losses to be hit. So let me trade cautiously. I'll give once I'm familiar with the trend. Meanwhile, if you like your own setup, you can take it. You can go with your own analysis. For me, I'll still be a little cautious. Those markets are in extreme fear zone, but let me be cautious. Bang Nifty, clear cut, sudden bounce. I suggested shorting is not good idea anymore. There's extreme fear in the market. There'll be sudden bounces. If you take an yesterday BTST, buy today, sell tomorrow one. If you're taken some put option and you are holding for morning a big gap down, you have succeeded. That's good. ITC is the clear one leading with again fresh 52-week high, almost up by 2%. Yesterday ITC was a great trading analyst. If you're given me some good subscribers, I had noted down more than 2 3 days ago itself that ITC going long is suggestible. You could clearly see why I was telling. No worries. If you want any stock or stock option perspective ideas, please subscribe the channel. Comment in the comment section. Again, I told you extreme fear zone. Market will be in quick bounce. Again, Bank Nifty day high, followed by Nifty 2 going towards day high successfully. This clear support level at 450. So if you have taken a call, hold it guys for target of 17,650 to 670 region. Rest of the enterprise will head towards a low EVD. Please be careful guys. Markets are next to here. There'll be quick bounces. Meanwhile, tune in to my channel. I'll give you a good update, good trade analysis. If you like it, you can take it, or you can go ahead with your own analysis. I don't want to give a fake trade analysis. I'll have patience. I don't want my views or stop loss to be triggered. I respect them. I respect their money. In the two in this volatility market, easily stop losses will be triggered. Majority of them to I don't want them to be in loser side. I want them to earn money. I want them to make money, good fortune money. So I'll just have patience and let me watch. Yes, Nifty comfortably going a day high, meanwhile Nifty 2, Bank Nifty 2 is going towards day high easily. As I told you, markets are in extreme fear, there will be quick bounces. Please, if your put options, stop losses are triggering, please accept it because markets are in extreme fear zone. Again, enterprise trading activity has been closed. Joke falling every day almost 10 to 30%. Yes, guys, Nifty at day high. As suggested, I told you taking put is not a good idea. Sorry for it. Clear cut, it's going towards. This is our first target. Booking at 17,615 is good. Then you can keep for further for target of 17,670 levels. Just this is my first level target. And this is my second level target. These two are my target region. Yeah, these two are target region. It's triggering. You need to book 1:1 at 17,615 and you can hold one lot and trial up to 17,670 levels. The first target is achievable, is heading towards its PTC level, that is previous day closing level. If breaks are, that's good enough. Meanwhile, Bank Nifty 2 at day high, almost a quick bounce from this level. This 500 points has been bounced, but there's still some level of rejection coming from 40,300 levels. First rejection, first resistance I feel is 40,450. Then if it breaks that, then 40,650 level, 650 to 750. If it's reaching there, that's good enough. There is the resistance from 40,350 levels, 300 levels. Meanwhile, 52, I don't know what happened, sudden drop. Again, there's some resistance coming from 17,600 levels. At previous day closing, there's some resistance they're taking. Be cautious now. If you ask me, I'm in still no trade zone because I need to find a proper trend. I don't want my viewers and their money to be in stop loss triggering. I don't want to lose their money. Institutions are chalu nowadays. In majority of my previous live sessions, if you had seen, if you had just observed it, that whenever after my stop loss is getting triggered, the prices are going up high, it's meeting my target. So we are in the right direction with the right trend, just our stop loss are getting triggered. So now I'll be more cautious. I just have a little patience. Again, there one more time retesting these 16,600 levels. So stay tuned, guys. Meanwhile, please subscribe the channel, like, share. Sensex turn into green. In IT index are leading it, yes. IT stocks is leading it, leading in Nifty because of just Fed had increased 25 basis points, which Nasdaq goes up to 2%, because of which the our IT stocks, Indian IT stocks are in green. Meanwhile, the Adani groups, Adani Twins and the Bajaj Finance and the banking sectors have taken back seat. And let us watch. Guys, today is expiry day too. Be cautious. Up to 12, today's expiry day is good. But after 12, I won't be, should be taking next week. Well, after 12, the data time delay will be too much. again Nifty somehow taking resistance at I think 17,600 levels. The bank Nifty taking resistance at 40,300 levels. Stay tuned guys, I'll be giving an update. Again the retesting the level of 17,600. As I told, this will be my first resistance, that is 17,610 to 615. If it hits there, I'll be booking my 1 is to 1. So booking 1 is to 1 is over there grateful. Then if you want, you can trial it up to 17,670 levels. Trade wisely. Once again, Nifty coming towards 17,600. Markets are in extreme fear zone, guys. Yes, markets are in extreme fear zone. So there will be some bounces coming. Yes, the tiny note stated trading after 10% fall. Now there's some quick bounce. Yes, that's the one Nifty going up. Yes. Alright. Let us be cautious. Add Nifty at day high. Sorry, Bank Nifty. Because of our running, I think some stocks have come to green. Yes, clear cut after Adani groups where Adani stocks were started to trade and there was a good long bar increase. So we are seeing HDFC, ICICI, SBI, most of the banks are turning into green now. Guys, look, Bank Nifty, I told you, there'll be quick bouncers, some fear in the market. As I told you, if you have taken a call, would have done almost, you have, would have almost captured around 600 points. Guys, booking 1 is to 1 is important at 17,615 levels. Booking 1 is to 1 and you can hold your next one lot for trading up to 17,670 levels. I'll be back in a minute. As I suggested, booking at 17,650 in one lot is good, or maximum lot. Just hold one lot and trial up to 17,670. Don't give your profits away. Guys, booking maximum lot and just hold one lot and trial up to 17,670. Clear cut. Bank Nifty headed towards 40,750 to 850 level. Markets are in actual fear, so there will be a bounces. Hmm. Guys, I'll be back in a minute. I'll be just muting it. Sorry for it, guys. Sorry for it. There was some work I had to do. Meanwhile, guys, again Nifty, Bank Nifty taking direction at 40,700 levels. Meanwhile, Nifty 2 taking rejection at exactly 70,650. I told you, booking over here is essential. Booking is essential. 1 is to 1 at 17,615. And can you see the reason why? Because there's a clear cut CTC level over here, which is still acting as a resistance. So now let us again analyze. I guess I'll just wait for the while. Yes, I think where to go in. There's a quick entry and exit levels. If you like the trade, you can take it. Meanwhile, if you don't want, you can go with your own analysis. No forcible, not forcing you to take. Remember this, I'm nowhere related to your profit, not loss. So, yes, I have taken this call option, this call trade I have analyzed. Or is it forming an M? Let me just run it. Not really decided. It is just forming a double top. So if you see it like that, it's forming M. Clear cut. The target again might come here. Or wait, guys. Yeah, let us wait. Let us wait. It's not a proper because I think it's forming a double top region. So breakout of this above 17,675, then I'll go long for target of 17,800. Yeah, so Nifty, that's my analysis. This clear cut some double top or M forming now. In the C3 support level, the 3 closing, then again today's support and today's high level. You can see that it's forming some type of M or double top. Double tops are not going for call right now. Let me just go breakout of this week. Then you can go for long for stop loss of 17,620 or 610 level for target of 17,800, 850. Until unless let us wait. It's forming double top. So just look at weakness. So I know people they think that it's making high low, but who knows? They have some other plans. So let us watch. If it breaks above this, then go long. Above this, go long. To today's expiry till 12 o'clock. Today premiums will won't be that many fast the time decaying, but after 12 the time decays too fast. We need to be taking next week's call and put option. Next week's strike prices. So as I told, after breakout of 17,680 or above, I'll be a call buyer. Or for say for the yeah above 17,700, 710 or 75, I'll go for long for target of 17,850 or 800. For stop loss of 17,000. The gap will be too much. So yeah, 17,650 or 600 levels. 100 points stop loss will be there. That is the trade. If you like it, you can go ahead with it. But that's my analysis. Above 17,000, this level of trade, this wick, this week, you clearly see there is some double top forming. Just not. Yeah, you can see this. There's some weak order. There's some two rejection which is forming double top, which I'm not happy with it. Break out of this, I'll be going long unless I have no idea. Not idea, I need to have wait and have patience. Meanwhile, if you have your own trade analysis, follow it because Nifty may again touch at day low, easily achievable, forming double top or forming M pattern. Previous level support, previous day's closing, today's support and today's high. Previously there's some weakness. If it breaks this level, then I'll be going long until unless I have no trade or analysis. But people who are trading with their own analysis, go ahead with it. No issue. Meanwhile, subscribe the channel if you like my trading style. If you like my trading analysis. Meanwhile, for Bank Nifty is looking good, guys. Bank Nifty is looking good. 42,000 level. Let me just see. Where we call right as a good right as actor. Nifty. Yes, 70,600 is a good level. We are using resistance followed by 17,700 and 17,800. Meanwhile, the support comes at 17,500, 17,400 and 17,300. So this is the data, guys. Up is up to 17,800 and down is up to 17,300. The major 500 points gap between 17,300 and 17,800. Meanwhile, let us look into Bank Nifty. And 40,500 still remain a good resistance, followed by I think Bank Nifty may touch 41,000 level soon. The resistance is good over there. The call writers are sitting over there. That is breached, then the next target would be 41,500 and the bottom is 40,000 and 39,500 level. Over 2,000 points up and down. Trade wisely. Just seeing what is it suggesting. There's call rating going on, put buying, as I suggested, equal. I'll be going long, break out of this candle for target of here, but not immediately. I'll wait for some dip, then I'll go. You can see the reason why. Because there's somewhat double top forming order, minimum Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty 2, there's a call rating active and put buying elastic for target of 40,600 to 40,500. So trade wisely, guys. Trading wise is better now. The today's expiry date. If you're holding today's expiry, please be cautious until 2 hour 12 p.m. After that, the time decay will be too heavy. In fact, now it's starting. If you want, you need to go for next week or other next week. But today's expiry, trade cautiously. Let us just check India bits. India will see some other thing crash. There is not recording. Tomorrow India VIX is at 16. Still in range of volatility. So trade cautiously. Meanwhile, as I told, let us see if Nifty is still going up ahead. If breaking, if this region is getting broken, there is a resistance is getting broken over here, then I'll be going long until unless there is no trade from my side. Yes, again Nifty heading towards 17,600. The retesting the level. Bank Nifty is looking good. Take care for target of 41,000, 40,800. But there are active call writers. I'll tell you why do I think new contracts are adding towards call options. As you can see, majority of the new, if you compare, you can see that call writer contracts are increasing. So trade wisely. This option chart will give you the idea of where is the support and where is the resistance level and where are call writers sitting. With that knowledge, you can prepare your resistance and support level. I told you when the market had started that markets are in extreme weak zone. Please book the put profits. There will be quick bounces and look, guys. I told you, you can see the result. Well, Nifty Bank had suggested there will be quick bounces. You wipe out the PE profits and you will clearly see it's going up ahead. So trade cautiously. Don't make your profits turn into losses. And that's in the volatility market, making it's giving both the sides. Even the call people, call buyers are entering profit, even the put people are entering profit. Put writers are struggling, so trade cautiously, don't give your profits away. Just your time left. Until unless Nifty doesn't reach this level, I won't be going long. Trade cautiously. Right, look at ITC, 5% up. Guys, from still there's no trade zone. As I told you, I'll be going long once if Nifty reaches this level until unless I won't be giving any calls. Doesn't mean that until it reaches I can take put suddenly, it may breach, so I'll just have patience. Markets are in extreme fear zone, so I'll think twice, thrice before taking put or giving put call. I know time Nifty is looking good. Just some sideways movement. May go ahead up. If you go up, you go up now any moment. With trade wisely, Nifty may go up any moment. by Nifty 2. Guys, Bank Nifty will go up. Not in trade yet, but since will go up. Guys, Bank Nifty there this quick stop loss, but the entry level is very risky one. If you like it, you can take it. As well the reason. You clearly see that the resistance has been broken, but the wick has there still. So my target very less. 249 comes 250 level comes the stop loss. Very minor stop loss, but for target of this is my target. This is my first target. Second target will be straight, getting more up. This is my second target. Trade will be activated once it comes near 330, 340 levels. Or just a minute. Yeah, near 300 levels you can. My stop is at exactly 50 points. And the patience. Trade is not attack there. Meanwhile, if you have your own trade analysis, you can go ahead with it. Remember, I've been telling it from live, from morning, that I'm nowhere related to your profit or loss. If you like my trading style, you can take it, or you can go ahead with it with your own analysis. Do remember, my trading doesn't mean if I give call doesn't mean you have to take. You can just observe it. If you like it, you can go ahead with it. I'm nowhere related to your profit nor loss. If you want, you can just observe for now, and if you like my trading style, then you can go ahead with it. Otherwise, you can go with your own trading analysis. As I told you, the reason is market is in excess fear, and the reason you got to know when I was telling market is in fear mode, you can clearly see that the quick bounces. You know, Guys, coming near target. Just little bit. Have patience. Yes, almost there. Guys, a trade is executed, but there's a quick stop loss at 40,250. You can enter, guys. 40,300, 315 levels is good for target of above region. I think taking up a side is more beneficial now. Just buy, enter at this level, enter at this level with a quick little stop loss. Who's triggering, just accept it. Please do remember I'm nowhere related to your profit nor loss. Let us have patience. Our trade is active now. Guys, our trade is active. You can see. Clean up between my first target. Oh, yeah, this is the level. 200 points. You can clearly see. Have patience. If you have entered, just have patience. The trade is executed. It's working according to plan. The important part is to execute our plan. So looking at the profit is right time. We can't expect high return. Quick targets for 200 points or 100 points, 150 points. That's important. Quick booking is good. Maximum profit should be booked around 40,500 levels. Call writers are sitting over there. So as soon as it touches, you can book. And you can book maximum lot and just hold one lot and trial up to the second target. That's 40,641. Extra patience. Important part is planning. It's just 2 minutes or 5 minutes, but execution has the highest number of patience levels. You need to wait for more minutes. So almost 90 to 80% of work is executing. So have patience, guys. Again, people who want to enter, they can enter one more time. I have a note that I'm nowhere related to your profit nor loss. If you like the trade, you can execute it, or if you want, just watch it. You will have given a call. Yeah, buying between 40,300 to 300 to 313, 315 is a good area. And then a quick stop loss I've given for target of 40,250. You can see execution either it's profit or stop loss. Please accept it. And then Nifty, I told you I'll be only long after it's crossing of this. Whereas for me, Nifty is looking good. Bank Nifty is looking good going towards up. Let us see if it's triggering our stop losses. I'll accept it. Meanwhile, if you have taken, please even you accept it. Note that if you like this trade, you can go ahead. There's no forceful profit or loss. I'm nowhere related to it. Just if you like my knowledge, if you like my trading style, you can take it. As per my knowledge, markets are in extreme fear zone. Guys, near a stop losses, if it's triggering, please exit it. It is not a trigger. Not patient. Guys, yeah, it's triggered. Told you, wait. If you have booked 100 points, it's good. This trade is invalid. I'll remove this for now. Let's watch. Again, as I told you, let's watch now. Seeing markets are taking some U-turn or are gonna bounce from here. Let us watch. After triggering a stop losses, you can see good that the book stop loss. You can see clear weakness. Bank Nifty clear cut weakness. Meanwhile, Nifty, I told you I won't be going long until unless it reaches in this level, and clearly it's not reaching. You can see clear cut weakness. Oh my god, Bank Nifty again going towards the right. Both that are stop losses. I had kept little. Imagine if I kept this much, would have received a huge losses. So okay guys, accept the stop losses. And clear see that one candlestick was enough to destroy our stop losses, trigger our stop losses, sorry, destroy the profits, but no issues. And I just remove this trade. Don't even. Now I'll be more cautious. I told you this forming somewhat double top. M pattern was being formed. First I sensed this one, and second one what I was sensing is this guy. So I don't think the market in any more region. I think call writers are active. As you can see in this, they were active call writers. Here you can see they were active call writer, and free buying was up to 17,500. Now it's gone up to 17,400, and call writing is huge. The long cover is exactly at the support level. I'll tell you where is support level. They told it exactly at 17,150 level. You see the long cover up to there. No issues. Clear cut weakness. Bank, let us see. Bank Nifty again. Put buying up to 38,800. Trade call here, please. Let us wait. Again, Nifty and Bank Nifty heading towards low. So just that Bank Nifty, I was little positive on it, but no sudden change. Let me see what's happening there. Yes, from HDFC Bank down by 2%, that's dragging the market. HDFC Bank again stay low, so that's the reason the Nifty Bank is getting trapped. Yesterday it comes to taxes and ICICI Bank with 0.75 and 0.58%. Yeah, Nifty somehow holding up to 70,500. So cautiously guys, somehow Bank Nifty going low, followed by Nifty. Nifty the dragon again the Adani and the banks and the financial groups. Well today the IT software will be doing good. Even they are coming from high, 300 points down. That is great. I told you that I won't be going long until unless Nifty breaches this. Bank Nifty was looking healthy because I thought reaching good support level. It needs making a high low, but it's wrong. I told you market won't act according to my thinking. No worries, markets were looking good, strong. The morning momentum. You clearly see why. Hey, may be confused. No worries. When Nifty, I was clear with my intentions that about this I'll be going long. You can see that why. And when Nifty Bank again tried to fight from bottom. That is what this time. Markets are still in extreme fear. Yes, Nifty Bank taking support from the bottom level. Amount the bank taking rejection for 40,200 and Nifty 2 taking rejection. I had his watch. This is support level, right? Support level is reached and you may clearly see Nifty heading towards the do even break 350 and head towards 200 to 150 level. And your bank Nifty to taking it to from this level. Here you say this level. Yeah. This level I break out of this level market we had clearly 38,800 to 38,200 level. No doubt about it. Let's be cautious now. And again bank Nifty guys break out of this here but not a wick. I want a proper candles and break out of this. You can go long for target of 41,000 to 41,500 until unless no trade zone. Now I'm in no trade zone. Let us wait. Meanwhile, if you have your own analysis, please go ahead with it. I'll give you once I'm clear with the trend once again. Somehow if you're taking support from the bottom level followed by buying Nifty 2. Somehow Nifty taking from bottom level, you will followed by buying Nifty 2. Told you guys again. Somehow Nifty is taking support from this level followed by Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty not at that. So trade cautious. You never know what will happen. So trade for me now currently there's no trade zone. If any trend I analyze, I'll give you. Until then, you can go with your own trade analysis. Meanwhile, subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment in the comment section. Still Nifty Bank trading low. The Nifty is taking some support from bottom level. After it comes in 17,510 like that. UPSC is taking a bounce, so there's some put riders active over there. Pushing the prices for 17,600 once more. Let's see if this time they succeed or not. Well, one more time, buying Nifty, they're pushing. Have patience, guys. Once it's no trade zone. Once it's active, I'll let you know. Until then, you can go with your own analysis. Meanwhile, subscribe, like, and comment in the comment section. HDFC Bank down 2%. Somehow ICICI is catching up. I guess ICICI Bank will go up now. Yes, so many. Yes, Bank Nifty look just shot up. ICICI Bank is doing the lifting now, followed by Kotak Bank. As you can see, they just triggered my stop losses. Now they're going up ahead. Guys, Bank Nifty coming. Let us watch. Again, Bank Nifty taking rejection at 40,300 level. It did go up to 380, I guess. Taking rejection from 40,400 levels. Meanwhile, Nifty again taking rejection near 17,600. Let us watch carefully. I have suggested that after breaking of this level, So here, as we're going long until unless you want Nifty bank to bank Nifty about this level, that is 47,480, then we can think of going long, I guess. Once again, bank Nifty going for 40,300. Still taking rejection near 40,300 level, while Nifty is going towards 20,600 once again. Again, that is 40,300 and 17,600. Pay attention. Still, the finance sectors and the banks are leading it down, followed by other groups. As you can see, premium decays too fast. Oh, after 12, I don't suggest taking, or you can just take 0 to 0 trades. We'll select some strike prices and we'll take it. India, which still remains at 16. That is what. Bank Nifty once again heading, followed by Nifty. Price ITC at 380, 5% up. Pay attention, guys. Again, Bank Nifty, they are once again testing at 40,400 level, followed by Nifty touching 17,600 levels. Let us watch closely. Bank Nifty once again they're touching the higher circuit, followed by Nifty 2. Let us see if they're succeeding this time. But still, for me, Nifty will be bullish once crossing of this week. Once it take a proper candlestick crossing of this level, I'll be going long for target of 70,800 or 18k. Let us watch. Somehow again they're testing 17,600 levels. They succeed this time, that's good. Meanwhile, for me, still remains no trading zone. Still remains scalpers can be active now. Quick scalping is beneficial. because Bank Nifty is moving from 40,380 to between 40,250 levels. So scalping will be quick enough. Scalpers can be active right now. Trade wisely. Be with the move, both the trends. As I told you, it's going between 40,380, 450 levels from 40,250. So trading both the side is good. Scalpers is active now. Being active is essential. Good for you. Meanwhile, for me still it remains no trading zone. I just wait, analyze the trend, then I'll give it. I've already told in Nifty until it reaches this level, that is 17,675. I won't be going long. Until unless wait. If you have your own trade analysis, please go ahead with it. Don't wait for mine. Until I'm given, you can go with your own trading analysis. Have patience. I'll be giving mine after crossing of 17,675. Meanwhile, you can go with your own trades. Let's see, guys, if this time Nifty will successfully break 17,600 or not. Meanwhile, again, Bank Nifty touching 40,380 levels. Let us pay attention. Still, I told you, Bank Nifty is trading between 40,380 to 40,250. Scalpers, be active. Meanwhile, our regular traders, please stay alert. if you want to learn scalping, you need to be very quick execution with small points. You need to quick exit it. So be aware, new scalper traders. It's tough for you to be in this market. Good to try, but it may trigger your stop losses. So scalpers who are professional will be active right now. Who are experienced, you can go. The range is between 40,380 to 40,250 levels. Meanwhile, Nifty is still taking some resistance at 17,600. So still for me, there's no trade zone. Let us wait. Now ITC at 381, 20 rupees high, 5 to 5.5% up. Yes, once again Nifty coming here 17,600. Let us watch. This time it breaks. So good successful. Meanwhile, again Bank Nifty at 380 level, 40,380. Yes, Bank Nifty broke the 40,400 levels, clearly heading above, finally followed by Nifty too. Let us pay attention now. Yes, Nifty comfortably above 17,600. Meanwhile, Bank Nifty going towards the target. No worry, the stop loss was hit. No worry. Now near the target, if it reaches 675, as I told you, I'll be going long for target of 17,800 to 18,000. Right, again, there's some rejection at 17,600, so still not going long. Have patience. Again, there's some sort of rejection from 17,585 levels. So let us pay attention. Meanwhile, again, Bank Nifty taking a strong rejection from 40,380 level, 400 level. So there was a false breakout. You clearly see it has taken rejection from not 40,400 but 40,500 levels. So call writers are still active. So only I'm telling you, no trade zone yet. Patience guys, still market not taking any trade because I'm not sure. Maybe in sideways. So I have patience. Again they're touching 17,600 levels. Let us watch if they sharply uh, if they break the resistance, that's good. But I'll be going long once it crosses 17,675 or 17,680 levels. Until unless I'm not taking any long calls. Guys, now Nifty comfortably going towards 17,675 above. Let us watch. Meanwhile, I'll be taking my positions like this. Have patience, let us watch. If you like the trade, you can execute it. Otherwise, you can just observe it. I won't be necessarily part of your profit nor loss. If you like it, please take it, or you can just observe it. Meanwhile, Bank Nifty heading comfortably again towards 40,500 levels. Let us see if this time it faces rejection or not. Still Nifty, not yet active. But remember, in this, I don't want a wick, I want a candle above this line so I can go long. Let us watch. Yes, Nifty comfortably going up. Just little have patience. There is one trade, guys, but if you want one more risky trade, I can give you is the one. This one is a safe one. I feel this is a risky one. If you want, you can take it. But this is 675 is the ultimate target. Above and that, let us watch. This is my second target. So let us wait. If you want, you can execute it. Closing of this candle. Just wait longer. These two are my targets. Just a little longer. This one is my safest trade I'll be taking. Meanwhile, this one is risky, so think before. Please do note that I'm nowhere related to your profit nor loss. If you like the trade, you can execute it. Today is expiry trading day, so trade cautiously. As I told you, after 12 the DK will be too fast. Itself it started, but after 12 it will be too fast. So you need to take next week's trade. Have a little patience. This is a risky trade, meanwhile this is a safe one. See, just closing of this candlestick, you can take the next one. Sorry for it. Just close it, guys. It's a quick stop loss. If you want, you can take it. Maybe 30, almost 42 points stop loss. That's too much, I know. Or 23 points, yeah. Let us try this. 23 points. Which needs to be triggered. Or you can take here. This is better. Closing of this candlestick. Just a little longer. The trade I'm taking because it's near resistance and it breaks this time. It's good enough. This is a risky trade. Please note that I'm nowhere related to no profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. So trade cautious. You can see there's a rejection in Bank Nifty around 40,400 levels to 40,500 level. My Nifty is still 40 seconds left. Closing of this candlestick, you can. Okay. 5 seconds to go. Trade is not yet active. This trade is not yet active. Please don't take it. There it goes. Just a minute. This is a risky trade. Just wait a little while. If you want, you can take it, I guess. You can take it if you want. It's a risky trade. Note that I know related to your profit or loss. This one is the safest trade I'm giving. The above 675 levels I'll be going with. Meanwhile, this trade is active. This risky trade is active. I told you to take it. If you want to re-enter, again re-entering at the bottom level. Risky trade. Be cautious. Nowhere related to your profit, no loss. It's just a risky trade. Reaching a target up to 17,625. It's almost 52, 60 points target. Just trade cautious. Again, entering at the lower level is better. Once again, if Adani stocks are hitting lower circuits, so you can see stop loss is a risky trade. I told you, people want to enter about this week. About this week, you can enter. I've been telling this is a risky trade. Meanwhile, the safest trade is this one. So trade cautious. This is just a tryout I'm giving. If you want, you can take it. If you don't want, please don't. Stop loss hitting is going on for morning for mine. Afterwards, it's hitting all the targets. As you can see for Bank Nifty, our target was here. Still it hit my stop loss. So trade cautious. No worries. Let us have patience. Still 2 minutes to go for the closing of the candle. People have entered. Just wait. People want to enter about this candle. So this candle you need to enter. This candle, about this candle, about this wick. About this wick you need to enter. Until unless don't enter. This is a risky trade. I told you not suggested. I told you this is risky and this is the safest trade. This one. There's still rejection in 17,600 levels. So just pay attention. Again, Adani stocks are coming down again. This is a risky trade for people who are entered. Just wait for some time. It's a risky trade. If you want to take the risk, you can take it. Every trade is risky, I know, but this little one, as you can see, I told you closing of the candlestick. Still, it's showing down there. Let us see. People want to enter new about this week. You can. That's about 6613. You can enter. Meanwhile, people who have entered will see this and who want to take a risk. Just who have entered already, just wait for some time for target of 17,650. But you need to book it. Okay, essential. Somewhat taking rejection in your previous day closing, but breaking of the upper circuit is more high. Have patience. Now we'll just keep on observing the market. This time the volatility, I guess this time the volatility will be less because in this week itself there have been so many 0 to 0 trades. Who knows? Let us watch. Today also is the day to be a 0 to 0 trade, or it's just gonna be flat. Yesterday and day before yesterday was pretty much a 0 to 0 trade, guys. Going up 1,000 points, falling down 1,000 points. It's not a comedy. People have made money. Put writers and call writers have been affected. So let us watch. That's the reason I told this trade is risky. Yes, stop loss hunting. This time I'll have an idea. Yes. Remove this trade for now. Buy at these level guys. Bad job already. Pretty sure buying there is good level. Still a risky trade. This is the safest trade. I'm just giving you a risky trade. If you're interested, buying is good. Yeah, just wait. Guys, if you want, it's a risky trade. Just I'm giving you this one. If you want, you can enter over here for target of 600 to 650 level. Just a little longer. Yeah, guys, sorry for that, but this is the proper one. Let us wait and watch. Let me just remove it. Don't need to do that. It is a patience. So still, this is safest trade, I believe. It's not attack it because it's still a resistance acting up over here. After this, I'll go long. Until then, now I'm finally in no trade zone. Just stay active. Again, Nifty touching the 17,600 levels. Let us watch. Meanwhile, analyze your own trade, guys. It's getting a boring market. It's been this for a while, but there will be some small breakouts, but then again recovery. For me, still no trade zone until unless it reaches 17,675 and goes up to 17,680, 690. Then I'll go long. A target of 17,800 to 18K. Until unless, for me, no trade zone in Nifty. Meanwhile, Bank Nifty 2 has taken a backseat. It's now trading between 40,380 to 40,420 to 40,300 levels or 250. So still no trade zone. Trade cautious. Today's expiry. Okay, guys, you can trade your own way until my trade comes. You can see still it's acting out there itself, so have patience. Meanwhile, you can trade with your own analysis. Market's getting boring now. Get until 12, the fun won't be there. After 12, the fun will start. So have patience. Keep on seeking new opportunities in the market. Scalpers, be active. You can see still it's acting out. So have patience. Keep on seeking some opportunities in the market. Scalping is good now. Again, it's in level 2 touching 17,596, 17,600 level. Let us watch. Yes, this time they've broken it. Let us pay attention now. Finally, Nifty guys broke. They just wanted to hit my stop loss. Been acting in that way. Clearly, I told Bank Nifty is in upward move. It's bullish. No worries. Still, I'm telling over here is the important level for me. Right, once again, Nifty heading toward the target. Have patience now. Again, once again, taking rejection. Let us watch. Not rejection, it's in bullish now. It's clearly broken. Guys, if you want, you can enter now. Wait just a minute. Sorry for it, guys. Yes, guys, comfortably going near our levels. Once then you can told you about this week proper candlestick. Then you can go long for target of 17,800. That risky trade was a worth the risk. Just that our stop loss I had to keep it low, but I didn't want it to be too deep too. I don't want our stop loss to be more than 50 to 60 or 70 points. So I had to make it there. But other than that, you can see clearly that trend line. We have identified the trend line properly, and it's clearly going according to it. Here you can see still ahead of targets, but let us wait. Let us have patience. Still no trade zone for me yet unless it goes up to 17,000. 675, 685 level. Sorry guys, just a minute. Sorry for it guys, once again. There's some issue with my mic, I can't mute it, so I'm using this way. Yes, one more time, if in time if it comes at this level around 300, you can go for long for target of 40,750. Let us watch. As again till 1:30 I'll be live. So by the time, let us see. And I've told you guys, if you want to go long, you need to wait until this wick is crossed, proper candlestick is formed. Until unless, don't go long. Telling you until this level, sorry, until this level is a proper candlestick, then you can go long, others don't go. This is the area where I'm telling you, the area where I'm cautious. Until and there is a huge good candlestick above that level, I won't be going long. If there's a good candlestick above that level, please go ahead for 17,800 levels. No doubt markets will go up from there. Meanwhile, to this level. Let us wait now. Guys, sorry to interrupt, but again due to some mic issues, I will end around 1:30. Let us watch. I try my best to be till 3:30 in the market. From next week onwards, from tomorrow onwards itself, I'll be with the market up to 3:30. There's some glitch in the mic, because of which the audio input is not proper and you can hear background music. So give me some time, I'll fix it. Meanwhile, I've told you guys, people, about this level of rejection, about this week, I need a proper candlestick to go long for target of 18k easily. or 17,800 will be my first target. But until unless I won't be going long, so trade wisely. Let us see, there's one more rejection coming. Let us watch. Still market taking some resistance at 17,635 levels. Let us watch. It's facing one more rejection. Again, there's some more type of rejection coming from upper level. So for me, still it is at no trade zone until and unless Nifty crosses 17,675 to 17,685 levels. Guys, don't be in hurry burry. Market is not giving in any direction properly. First it was bullish, then again it comes back from where it started. So as I told you, it's just giving some opportunities. You can see over here again it was flat, then it gave downward opportunity. People think it might go down. Clearly took a side, again came where it was, and again went upside, thinking it would go up from here, but again it's coming back to its own place. So market is in confusion mode. Let us watch now where is what's happening. Here the put writers are active at 17,600, but still there's some call writers. There's clear fight between put and call writers now. Bank Nifty. Let's see our topic. Yes, there's a war between put and call writers, so we need to wait for a while. So no trade zone is the best. If you find anywhere a good trend, actually it's tough to find a trend, but if you find that opportunity, please take it. If you find the opportunity, please take it. Don't wait it. Don't wait. Neymar for me still no trade zone. Again clear cut rejection. You get confused. Again sudden bounce will be there. There's still walk we are going between on call writers and put writers. They'll hunt either upside or downside. some rejection facing, but let us wait and watch. Let us wait and watch. Meanwhile, I'll be in a bad guys till it's in no trade zone. Hello guys, welcome back. Sorry for that. I had some work to do. I was trying to fix the mic, but it's unable to, so I couldn't keep up. Meanwhile, my market has taken a reverse turn. You can see this clear-cut rejection from 17,635, and you know the reason why I was not going long until it is crossed 17,675 to 17,685 level, because still there remains a major resistance over there. Above that, I want a good candlestick so I can go long for up to 18k or 17,800 would be my first target. But until unless you can see there's a reverse turn. So for now, still it is no trade zone. Meanwhile, Bank Nifty 2 has taken a resistance. Just market. This area still remains a good level resistance for market. So Nifty Bank is trading between these two levels, as you can see clearly. So now let us wait and watch. I use the mic problem too much. You can hear all the background music, and my voice is not audible or clarity. So just give me some days, I'll fix it. Meanwhile, still I remain no trade zone until unless you have your own trade analysis. Please go ahead with it. For me, still it's no trade zone. There is just over there again 17,500 below level. Again, market will go for 17,450 to 17,350 level. If that is breached, then easily 17,150 is achievable. So I will tell you, but I'll be ending the stream now because of my problem. Tomorrow I'll be there. I'll try my best to be at up to 3:30 if the mic problem gets fixed. So remember guys, above 17,675 to 17,685, then remain strong until unless you don't see a proper candlestick. If you see a proper candlestick above these levels, then you can clearly go long. And meanwhile, downside breaking of this and this level, this is the first proper support. If this is broke, then you can see market heading towards 17,150 to 17,200 levels. Meanwhile, for Bank Nifty remains still in no trading zone. Both are in no trading zone. See you guys. Tomorrow I'll be coming and I'll try my best to be at up to 3:30 p.m. and answer and clear all your doubts and let us take good trades. Thank